Hello, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking to add a little warmth to your look for the day, then I want to show you this bronzer from KYLIE. This is a khaki colored pressed bronzing powder, and I really like this powder because it goes on so super smooth. It really applies very well, and it's easy to use even for a total makeup novice like myself. So it comes in this adorable little pink compact. And when you open it up, there is a mirror inside, which is nice as well. And the pressed powder is nice and matte, so it's not gonna add any extra shine, which is perfect for me because I have oily skin. And I just like to add a little bit of contour and just give a little bit of warmth to my face. And so this really does the trick. Again, this is the khaki color, and it just helps to add that little bit of dimension that I've been looking for. Of course, you can also use this as a bronzer as well. I really like that it is nice and small and compact, fits into your purse or makeup bag really easy, and overall is a comfortable to wear and easy to use product that I would definitely recommend. And that's my point of view.